Hello and welcome. I'm at CMT Trade Fair. I have this vehicle in front of me from Kabe. It is a Novum C720 LGB. Apparently it's new and it costs €143,000. So let's have a look inside. Now Kabe have a very distinctive look to them, built in Sweden. They look as though they're a fixed house in Sweden. So this being a new vehicle, and this is one of the very few ones that says new, which are genuinely are new, because I haven't seen this thing before. Right, storage at the back. I like the shape. That's unusual, sort of bends around. I don't like the ledge. That is completely and absolutely pointless, and I've expected from a company like Kabe something better myself. We've got these two sort of slit windows. I'm calling them that now because they're small, and okay, it's two singles here. Very nice, large washroom. Where's the sink? It's here. Sensible sliding door. Over here we've got the fridge from Thetford, and we've got a nice kitchen block here. I like this one. It's got a central locking for these, the drawers. So there you go. There you go. Always lock the central locking, because just in case they forget to check, as I often do. Two burners. Looks elegant though, doesn't it? And a sink. Looks a bit like a camper van at the same time. Here we have a face-to-face layout in the lounge. I noticed other vehicle companies such as Sunlight using a green like this. I don't think it really works. In fact, they've got the black seats and then the green, and I can tell that that doesn't work, and I know absolutely nothing about interior design. A lot of space, a lot of light I should say, coming in from above. I really like the indirect lighting up there. I also like the way these have been built in to the units. I think that looks really very effective in my opinion. Right, let's now come out. So I've tried to do this in under 3 minutes and I was successful. You see, you've got the garage there with an unusual shape to it, and so thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting, and bye for now.